everyone, welcome to How to Tutorials channel. Today in this video of How to Tutorials, I am going to show you guys how to change password in Shein app. To begin with, tap open the app, make sure you have Shein app and is logged in into your account. Then you land on in the shop page. Then there you can see me option on the bottom right corner. Tap on the me button. Here opens your profile page. From here go to the settings option in the top right corner. There are various options on the settings menu. Choose the second option saying manage my account. There you can clearly see option of change password on the second. Tap on change password. Here to change the password you first of all need to fill the requirements. First you need to put your old password. Then type new password on the box below. As mentioned here, make sure your password is strong with at least 8 characters minimum and 1 letter and 1 number. Then retype the new password on the box underneath for confirmation. After you have done this, submit the new information by simply clicking on submit. Now you have successfully changed your password.